Pinched him?
On his arm. It stopped from biting my blanket.
We've been using KETK now for a year and a half, and I cannot express to you how much advertising on NBC.
Can I watch my show?
Yeah, I think so. Sounds really bad, doesn't it?